Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Mahant, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. This session covers arithmetic operators in JavaScript and how they perform mathematical operations within ServiceNow scripts. What are operators? Operators act as instructions that tell the program what actions to perform between values called operands. For example, where x, where y, where sum equals to x plus y. Here, plus is the operator, x and y are operands. This simple code adds two numbers using addition operator. Arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Here are the common arithmetic operators. Plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, asterisk is for multiplication, slash is for division, and percentage symbol is for modulus. For example, consider two variables where a equals to 20. We are declaring a variable named a and assigning value 20, where b equals to 10. Another variable b is declared and assigned the value 10. These two variables will be used in our arithmetic operation. gs.print of a plus b. Here a is 20 and b is 10. The plus operator is used to add the two numbers. So a plus b becomes 20 plus 10, 30. gs.print of a minus b. We are subtracting b from a, that is 20 minus 10. This gives us 10. gs.print of a asterisk b. Here we are multiplying a and b, that is 20 into 10. This gives us 200. gs.print of a slash b. This divides a by b, that is 20 by 10, and the result will be 2. gs.print of a modulus b. The percentage operator gives us the remainder after division. So 20 modulus 10 gives the remainder as 0. Now let us run the script and check the outputs. Here, if we observe, we got the output as 30, 10, 200, 2, and 0, where 30 is the output for addition, and 10 is the output for subtraction, 200 is the output for multiplication, and 2 is for division, and 0 for modulus. To reinforce understanding, try this task. Write a script that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus on two user-provided numbers. And the other task, swap the values of two variables using arithmetic operators without a temporary third variable. When you have completed the task, please share your solutions in the comment section below. That wraps up our sessions on arithmetic operators in JavaScript for ServiceNow. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with more JavaScript tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.